1 year ago, an extreme rainfall event in central Texas caused historic flash flooding in the hill country. The heavy rainfall caused water in the Guadalupe River to rise rapidly by as much as 30 feet. The flooding claimed the lives of at least 139 people and caused devastating damage to surrounding communities.
We had over 9 inches in 3 hours. So this is really intense rainfall that the land surface is not going to be able to absorb and is going to translate into a flash flood rather quickly with very little time to anticipate it.
While tornadoes, hurricanes, hail, and lightning often get the most attention, last year's devastating flooding in Texas was a powerful reminder that flash flooding is the deadliest hazard associated with severe storms. That's why scientists at the NOAA National Severe Storms Laboratory are developing new tools and science to help National Weather Service forecasters deliver earlier, more effective warnings when flooding threatens.
The key is getting the rainfall correct, and it has to be correct in the right basin. So you need to have the location, the intensity, and even the type of the storm needs to be accurately predicted, and that's very difficult to do within several minutes or hours.
Radar is one of the best ways to estimate rainfall over large areas, but no single radar can see the full picture on its own. To fill that gap, NSSL researchers developed MRMS, or Multi-Radar Multi-Sensor. MRMS combines radar, rain gauges, satellites, and other data into one clearer view of where rain is falling.
MRMS is a game changer. It combines all of those sciences, uses the latest in technology and science to come up with the best precipitation estimate.
Today, MRMS is used throughout the National Weather Service to help forecasters identify flooding threats more quickly and with greater precision.
Better inputs lead to better public safety. It's not hyperbolic to say that this information, this advancement in technology has helped save lives because it has improved the accuracy of the forecast and improved the lead time.
But rainfall alone doesn't tell the whole story. What matters next is how that water moves once it reaches the ground. That's why NSSL developed FLASH, the Flooded Locations and Simulated Hydrographs Project, which is one tool under the MRMS umbrella.
FLASH is a suite of products to try to take into account responses on small creeks and streams and rainfall rates that will overwhelm the ability of the soils to absorb it.
So what it's able to do is predict how much water flow we're going to have in every single little stream at every grid point, over 10 million grid points in the United States, and it produces forecasts up to 6 hours in the future.
Both MRMS and FLASH are fully operational across the entire National Weather Service, protecting communities from coast to coast. As our ability to measure rainfall improves, researchers are now looking ahead. Using advances in computing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, the WARN-ON forecast system produces multiple storm scenarios, showing how rainfall and flooding could unfold in different ways. It also generates rainfall rates and other severe weather outputs several hours into the future. Current research is evaluating ways those scenarios can be used by hydrologic models to better anticipate where flooding will occur.
We're going to be able to help forecasters improve their ability to forecast impacts and also at much finer resolution, specific points, even intersections where we're going to have flooded areas that are going to be anticipated hours in advance.
But flooding is not only a forecasting challenge, it's also a communication challenge. Warnings only matter if people receive them, understand them, and know how to respond. Many of the most dangerous situations, like in Texas last year, happened at night or in unfamiliar vacation areas where people don't realize the risk until it's too late. It's crucial to have multiple ways to receive warnings, especially overnight, to stay informed and take action.
When you're going into these vacation areas, if you're not familiar, do a little homework ahead of time. What are some of the dangerous weather and water conditions that could occur? And if it happens, what should I do? Have a plan. Always have a plan.
1 year after the tragic flooding in the Texas Hill Country, the message remains clear. Flash flooding happens fast and every minute matters. At NSSL, our scientists are developing tools like MRMS, FLASH, and WARN-ON forecast to give forecasters better information when storms turn dangerous. Better science means better warnings. Better warnings mean better outcomes. That's what drives us here at the NOAA National Severe Storms Laboratory. For more information on flash flood safety and NSSL research, visit the links shown here.